to do the water pump in a Ford Focus ZX5 para hacer la bomba de agua en la Ford Focus ZX5. Okay, what I do is I remove these nuts from here, from the top motor mount, then going on the bottom you have to remove the passenger side tire. The water pump is already installed. You have 4 bolts. Tienes que quitar la llanta del pasajero y la bomba ya está instalada, lleva 4 tornillos. Okay, the water pump have 4 bolts. One there, and one very in the top over there, and one more right there. So to make at this point, para llegar a este punto, estaba esta polea. To make at this point was this pulley right there. For some reason that pulley was so stuck. To make the engine go down, you have to use the jack. Para bajar el motor tiene que usar el gato. Y luego remover el aire acondicionado. You have to remove the AC compressor too. So for some reason this one was so stuck. The pulley, the round pulley just show you 3 bolts, number 10. The bolts in the water pump is a number 8. To remove the pulley from here, I use this bar and plier up this way. And for some reason the water pump bang real stuck, and you can see right there that little notch, enough to plier up the water pump, but I can't, because I try, and what I did when I try is broken. One of those years broke. So what I use, and I did, it's a long bar, if you can find it. I use this bar with this little latch hammer, and I hit it from here. Let me explain you. And I put it right there on the top on the water pump, right there where the pulley, that little pulley is, and I hit it. So soon that one get it loose, you can get access to, put a screwdriver or something from the bottom, and it's come up easy. I use this screwdriver, a big screwdriver, and so now this is the water pump on. If you don't drop the engine, it's impossible put the water pump in, because this water pump so tight. The original, that little small, you see the pulley, this one so small. The new one have a big propeller pulley, and that one cannot go. You can remove the water pump, the original from there, not remove the engine, but when you try put the new water pump, it's impossible, except if the water pump come same like this one. Para mover esa bomba de agua tiene que bajar el motor, porque la original la puede quitar sin bajar el motor, pero la nueva es un poco más grande y es imposible meterla, tiene que bajar el motor. Okay guys, I hope this video helped anybody, and put everything back on in the same way you take it off. Okay, bye bye.